So guys, for the first method, you just want to put a hashtag, then you want to put a space. Now you can just type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in my channel name, and I click on enter. Now it's going to be big text. So make sure that you have the hashtag first, and then you want to put a space, just type in anything you want, click on enter. It's then going to make the text big. And now for the second method, you want to go to the first link, which will be down below in the description. Now once we're here, you want to type in your text right here, but make sure that it's in lowercase. Make sure you type it in lowercase. I'm just going to type in my channel name. And now this will come up. Now you want to copy what comes up here in the second box. And then you want to go to Discord, paste it in, click on enter. That's another way how you can do it. There's also going to be another link down below, and this website is even better than the last one. So once we're here, just type in your text. We have even more fonts we can choose from right here. Let's say that I want to go with, for example, this one. I'm going to copy this. And then you want to go to Discord. You want to paste it in, click on enter. That's another way how you can do it.